Inglaflow. Flow with English.
Do you love food? Of course you do. Today, let's listen to a fun English conversation between two friends talking about their favorite foods during a sunny picnic day. Sunny! You can listen and repeat line by line to practice both listening and speaking.
Wow, Emma, what a perfect day for a picnic.
I know, right? The weather is so nice, sunny, but not too hot.
Yeah, and the park looks beautiful. Look at all those flowers.
Yes, and I brought some of my favorite food today.
Oh, really? What did you bring?
I made some sandwiches with cheese, tomatoes, and lettuce, and I also brought strawberries and cookies.
That sounds amazing. I brought some juice and chips.
Nice! Let's eat.
Your sandwich tastes great.
Thank you. I made it this morning. I really like simple, fresh food.
Me too. I love food that's easy and tasty.
So, Tom, what's your favorite food?
That's a hard question. I think my favorite is noodles. I can eat noodles every day.
Every day? You must really love them.
I do. They're soft, warm, and you can make them in many ways, with vegetables, eggs, or chicken.
That's true. I also like noodles, especially when it's cold outside.
What about you, Emma? What's your favorite food?
I think pizza. But not just any pizza. I like homemade pizza with lots of cheese.
Oh, that's the best kind. Do you make it yourself?
Sometimes I help my mom in the kitchen. I make the dough and add the toppings.
That's awesome. Cooking together sounds fun. Do you eat pizza often?
Maybe once every 2 weeks. I try to eat healthy, but pizza is my happy food.
I know what you mean. For me, it's ice cream.
Ooh, yes. Ice cream is my favorite dessert. What flavor do you like?
Chocolate. Always. What about you?
Vanilla or strawberry? Sometimes both.
That's a good combo. What food don't you like?
I don't really like spicy food. My mouth burns too much.
Same. I tried hot chili once. Never again.
You're brave.
You know, food is such an interesting topic. Everyone has different tastes.
Yeah, and food always brings people together.
That's true. Like today, we're having a picnic and talking about food. Perfect day.
Totally. I love days like this. It's calm, fun, and full of good food.
What do you like to drink with your meals?
Usually water or juice. I don't like soda too much.
Same here. I brought orange juice. Want some?
Yes, please. Thank you.
So, if you could eat only one food for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Only one? That's hard. Maybe pasta. I can eat it in so many ways.
Oh, that's a smart choice. Mine would be noodles, of course.
You knew it. You're the noodle guy.
And you're the pizza girl.
That sounds funny. This was such a nice picnic. Good food, good talk, and good weather.
Yeah, I feel happy and relaxed. Let's do this again next weekend.
Sure. Next time, I'll bring pasta, your favorite.
And I'll bring pizza, your favorite.
Perfect. See you next time, everyone.
Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and keep learning English with us.
And that's how a simple picnic can bring so much joy. Good food, good friends, and happy moments. That's what life is all about. Remember, every day can be special if you slow down and enjoy the little things. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English conversations and positive vibes. See you in the next one, and until then, keep smiling and keep learning.
Inglaflow. Flow with English.